Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Saif, and today I'm gonna show you how you can use Zendesk as a complete beginner to run a successful business online. We have a lot to cover in this video, so make sure to watch it to the end and let's get started. First, you need to create your own account by pressing on free trial here. Then we have to just insert our email. And press next. First name, just some basic info. Last name. Phone number, I will just insert a random combination of number. Company, let's say tutorial. How many employees? 1 to 9. Language, let's select English. Create a password. Now let's complete trial sign up. Now we will need to verify our email. I will just verify it and come back to you in seconds. And now after verification, it will ask you about some other questions like have you ever set up this and some fundamental questions. So we can just press on no thanks and start our tutorial. So here you can see your dashboard. Here you can see how your Zendesk look like. This is the main important features, which are the left menu. So here in the first tab, which is the home tab, you can find two tabs, which are get started and dashboard. In get started, it shows you how to set up your own account in a bunch of steps. Next is the dashboard, which shows you insights about your performance, what are your ticket status and things like that. You can also see updates to your tickets in here. So now let's go to the next step, which is the views. Here you can see your tickets and all the information related to it. Next tab is the customers tab, which shows you all the customers that are related to your company or organization. And next is the organizations tab, which shows you all the information related to your organization. And next is the reporting tab, and finally settings. So now let's move back to views to create our first ticket. You can in case you have a ticket here, you can select it, you can edit the ticket, you can merge it, you can mark as a spam, you can even delete. However, we are gonna select to start a new ticket. So basically, you can add a new ticket by clicking on the add button here. Let's just back a step. If you selected the add button, it will show you to add 4 options, which are ticket, user, organization, and search. So let's start with adding a new ticket. Here it will ask you about the requester. We do not have any users, so you need to add a user first. So let's say Sarah, and add her mail, this mail, and it will ask you whether she is an end user or staff member. I will choose that she is an end user, and I will add from here. Now it will ask me who I will assign this ticket to. Since we do not have in the support employees, you will only find yourself here. But however, if you added employees later to the support, you will find them. So for now, I will choose myself. Followers, in case you have any agents which are following your support, you will find them here. However, we did not add, so it's empty. Here you can also add tags which help you to organize your tickets and filter by these tags. So we can say urgent, for example, urgent, and add tag. Now it will ask you about the type. It may be a question, an incident, a problem, or a task. Let's say it's a question. And priority, let's say it's of high priority or urgent priority. Here you can write the subject of the ticket. And here you can write your own reply. You can also add an emoji, you can add a file, and most important, you can add a link, because most tickets require a specific link to solve a specific issue. So you can add link from here. So this is how you created your own ticket. In order to add it, you just need to press on submit as new, and bingo, here is your ticket made. So here you can find the insights about your ticket. You can find how many unsolved tickets you have. You can find unassigned tickets. You can find all these options which help you to really sort your tickets. And you can also sort them or filter them through this option. You can filter them by tags. So if I selected urgent that I made before, let's write urgent here, and apply filters, you will only find the ticket that we have just created. So if we chose to add another thing like user, here it will show you the same tab that we used when we added the user that we assigned the ticket to. Next is the organization. You can add an organization here, and it will ask you about two major questions, which are the name of the organization and its domain. Once you set these two questions up, already in use, I will just add another L and add. You will find that your organization has successfully been added here. So you add the ticket, you added the user, you added an organization. Next is to move to customers tab. Here you can find the customer that you have created before. You can also add a customer from here. It will ask you about the name and the email. Next is the organization. You will find the organization that we have created as well. And next is the reporting tab, which shows you your reporting options like Zendesk support, Zendesk guide, Zendesk talk, Zendesk chat. You can even explore more from here. And finally, you can access to the settings where you can adjust all what is related to your account. You can also access on notifications from here. You can choose your status, whether you are online, away, or invisible. You can also access the help center from here, so you can reach multiple resources of guides and tutorials that will help you whenever you face any problem. You can also access your profile from here. You can get help, you can support help center, you can even sign out, you can view your profile from here, and you can manipulate all the data related to your profile. So now you know how to use Zendesk and if it is the right platform for you or not. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys learned from this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.